Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 180 minus the parenthesis 24 divide 6 and multiply 3. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So in this question, here we have one subtraction and one multiplication and one parenthesis, okay? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis, okay? So is equal to 180 minus 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4 multiply 3 is equal to, now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction, okay? So is equal to 180 minus, now 4 multiply 3 is equal to 12. Now 180 minus 12, okay, is equal to 168. Okay, so the correct answer is 168. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.